All three thermometers come in this box. So just for scale, this is about how big they are. This is how they fit in my hand. They do have this kick out stand, so you can just prop it up on a desk like this, or you could feed something through this if you want to hang it up. Simple buttons. Let's go ahead and put the batteries in. Oh, the batteries are already in. Looks like we just need to turn it on. Let's do that now. Press and hold, and hey, that worked. Here's a closer look at the display. It lists the humidity level. It's got this nice little raindrop just to indicate how humid it is. And then here is the temperature. If I want to change to Celsius, I just push this button on the back and can toggle between the two. If I want to turn it off, I just press and hold the on off button, and now it is off. I'm holding a thermometer in my hand just to see if I can warm it up a bit. One good indication of how accurate these are is just how consistent they are. As far as humidity goes, it's exactly consistent and the temperature is not too far off. So this thermometer I've had in my hand for just about a minute or two. So it should be a little bit warmer. Let's check it out. All right, so we have increased the humidity and the temperature. Let's see how long it takes to get back to the same temperature as these other thermometers. While we're waiting for that to get back to the normal temperature, I will point out that it does have some double-sided sticky tape, so if you want to just stick the thermometers onto something, you can quite easily. Well, it did take a few minutes, but we've got 36, 34, 35. So humidity, there's a variance of about 1 or 2%. And then with the temperature, we're at 66.4, 66.7, and 65.7. So it looks like a variance of about 1 degree.